now in order to have a better understanding of the standardized international review engagement. The case Virgin Money UK plc interim report review is simulated here. Before conducting the 6 months, ended the 31st of March 2022 review for Virgin Money UK plc, the adjudicators have a meeting to confirm the subsequent procedures.
We will have a meeting with the Virgin Money UK plc managers.
Before that, we should prepare some questions to inquiry them.
After the meeting, the auditor made such procedures for the following review engagement for Virgin Money UK plc. Here are mainly 6 procedures. The purpose of these procedures are mainly to know about Virgin Money UK plc's financial framework, operating environment, internal control, and a potential material risk for the review engagement.
I am the manager of CPA team. Could you please brief the information about Virgin Money UK plc?
Virgin Money UK plc is the holding company for Clydesdale Bank, Yorkshire Bank, and Virgin Money in the United Kingdom. It's a public listed company on London Stock Exchange as well as the Australian Securities Exchange.
Could you please tell us what accounting principles Virgin Money UK plc uses for the interim report?
Our company is in accordance with International Accounting Standard, IAS 34, the Disclosure Guidance, Transparency Rules of the United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority, DTR, and International Standard on Review Engagements, ISRE 2410 UK for the appropriate financial reporting framework for firms listed on the London Stock Exchange.
IAS 34 specifies the minimum content of an interim financial report for recognition and measurement in comprehensive and condensed financial statements for an interim period. DTR creates the appropriate financial reporting framework for firms listed on the London Stock Exchange. ISRE 2410 UK defines standards and offers guidance on the independent auditor's obligations when the auditor performs a review engagement.
Could you please tell us what's the material matters in Virgin Money UK plc?
Our top management team will acknowledge such material matters by the interim financial report for the 6 months ended March 31, 2022 disclosure, where you can find the comprehensive interim report, business review, and risk management in detail.
So just for your reference here, top management in Virgin Money UK plc will disclose 3 major contents. Firstly, Virgin Money UK plc interim result 2022. This part disclosed the summary financial reports and key financial indicators of Virgin Money. Secondly, business and financial review. The environmental factors that impact Virgin Money and its respective strategies were disclosed in this second part. Lastly, risk management, the potential material risk and internal control are disclosed.
Here is the partial disclosure for the statements I referred to in last slide.
Okay, as the conclusion for the disclosure of top management, could you please issue the represent letter which can acknowledge the Virgin Money manager's responsibilities for the interim report? Under ISRE 2410 UK 10, the management's responsibility is to establish and maintain effective internal control relevant to interim financial information. Besides, management should make all financial records and related information to auditors. Sure, no problem. The pertaining format and contents complied with the interim report standards and were shown to you for your reference.
The issue letter format is in accordance with ISRE 2410 UK 10. Its purpose is mainly to make sure the management of Virgin Money UK have informed all the material matter in the aspect of applicable interim report framework.
Continuing with the previous procedure, we will obtain the comparative interim report and conduct the analytical procedure. Analyze the financial trend and key indicators. Based on previous procedures, we had a better understanding of Virgin Money's financial framework, operation environment, and internal control.
Yes, we also did the analytical procedures. The review engagement doesn't need to provide as much evidence as audit. But there is crucial thing to do is to provide Virgin Money selected notes which are material in according to IAS 34.
These selected explanatory notes are meant to explain significant and material transactions, financial position performance, and changes in the entity since the end of the previous annual reporting period. Here are the selected notes, which include going concerned, accounting policies, critical accounting estimates and judgments, presentation of risk disclosures, the notes related to important financial accounts. In the last part of the note disclosure, other concerns that are brought to the auditor's attention may result in a material misrepresentation. For example, contingent liabilities and commitments should be revealed. Based on the preceding procedures, we drew unqualified opinions on Virgin Money's UK plc interim report for the 6 months ended the 31st of March 2022. Independent review report to Virgin Money UK plc has presented the important elements described in the ISRE 2410 UK 43. So the contents and format for this independent review report are standardized. The important part here, for example, D, is the conclusion of the independent report of review of interim financial information, should include if anything came to the auditor's attention that caused the interim report to not offer a fair presentation in all material areas in line with the applicable financial reporting framework. And in the reference, G, that approaches conducted by auditors are designed to decrease to a reasonable degree the likelihood of reaching an incorrect judgment when material interim financial information is significantly misstated should be included inside the declaration H. That an audit has not been done and that the procedure is being carried out gives less assurance than an audit. Furthermore, the audit opinion is not expressed. This declaration, K, acknowledges that the scope of use of the result of the review report is limited. This informs the financial interim report users that this assurance level is less than audit engagement, whose assurance level is reasonable.